rivers whisper truth as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound, in the arms of solitude. Whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars
I'm good at, okay? Yeah, me too.
teach me the language of stories that linger on.
You want the egg? You said it went out. I don't know. No. The one you said you practicing. I'm not practicing. I'm making it perfect. Why do you need to make it perfect?
Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving it.
Isn't it really good?
Black
Yeah, it does. I got the best drawing in the world. No, you made a better one.
By sun to the open sky. Oh, whisper,
He made an alien and he made a cat.
sing me your tune.
Who says I got it?
Caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon.
Hold it. That's better.
Of the breeze.
This is how you like
On the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by each echoing step on the forest floor. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon.
How are you? Hi. Go. Come. Going somewhere?